Arguments over the law are being held in federal court today, and the measure would essentially allow state police to arrest migrants suspected of illegally entering the country. So let's first just sort of walk you through what happened over just the last few days, because frankly, it's a lot. On Monday, the Supreme Court said it was temporarily blocking the law indefinitely. Then, yesterday, by a 6-3 vote, the High Court decided to allow Texas to enforce it. But then, late last night, a federal appeals court blocked the law again. Now, that appeals court is hearing today's arguments. NBC News Homeland Security correspondent Julia Ainsley joins me now to break this all down. Julia, can you just sort of take us through the arguments that we heard today in court? I mean, when do we ultimately expect to see a decision?
Well, right now, the arguments are still about the stay, and they've scheduled oral arguments in the merits of the case for early April. So it's a question of whether or not the ultimate decision would come after those arguments. But the question is, will they continue the stay up until that point of those early April arguments? So anyway, the arguments today in court haven't looked so great for Texas. The Solicitor General from the state of Texas couldn't answer some pretty basic questions about how the law would work. He couldn't answer, for example, if an immigrant came in through Arizona first and then came into Texas, would Texas then have the right to arrest that person and deport them? He said, frankly, I don't know. He tried to make the argument that Texas had to do this, that they have the right to protect themselves, especially against cartels who might be trying to carry out something nefarious in their state. But the three-judge panel in this case said, look, it looks like your law mirrors that of the federal law, and that's problematic. And then Texas's argument that basically they had to do this because the federal government has abdicated its responsibility really had a sharp rebuttal from the Justice Department. The feds in court today saying, look, that is just not true. We absolutely have not abdicated our responsibility. Here are all the people we've deported recently. Here are all the arrests we've made. We are continuing to enforce immigration law. And so all that's been coming up, even though it's only about the stay, whether or not this law should be put on hold while they look at whether or not it should even be on the books permanently in the first place. All of this is already on display, but for Texas, it's not looking so good.
Yeah, Julia, just briefly here. I mean, while all this is happening, there are law enforcement officials who are on the ground trying to do their job, really unclear of what actually they can do and what's within the scope of what's permissible. How are they reacting to all this back and forth?
Well, the Texas Department of Public Safety has said that they weren't going to implement this right away anyway. When we had that brief period yesterday where we thought that the law was going to go into effect based on what the Supreme Court said, they said they were still gathering to see exactly when they would start implementing it. Because although Texas DPS does do some arrest of migrants already, that's a rare thing they've been doing in Texas for the past 2 years, those migrants might serve some time in the Texas penal system, and then they go over to ICE. So it hasn't been up to Texas to put these people into court for immigration proceedings or deport them until now. And so it's really a matter of how they would train those people or get resources. For those law enforcement people, they say even if this stay lifted overnight, they wouldn't be able to implement it right away.
Very interesting. All right, Julia Ainsley following all of the back and forth for us. Julia, thanks.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.